Hey guys, it's Wednesday and today you're doing page 118. We're talking about appositives and nouns of direct address. We have talked about appositives before. Appositives are words that follow a noun and they explain or identify a noun. I've put a couple of sentences from your examples up here on the board. Ketchup is made from tomatoes, and ketchup, a popular condiment, is made from tomatoes. In this first one, our subject is ketchup, and it doesn't have an appositive. But in the second one, it does. Ketchup is a condiment. This is a word following ketchup and telling you what it is. Condiment is an appositive. There are essential and non-essential appositives. Look at rule number 4. Appositives that follow proper nouns are usually, let's skip that. Let's talk about what essential and non-essential are. Tyler, my friend from Seattle, is a chef. We don't really need that there because if we took that out, the sentence wouldn't change its meaning. It would still be telling us Tyler is a chef. So that phrase, that appositive phrase is not essential. We can take it out and it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence. Therefore, it has commas around it. In the next sentence, my friend Tyler is a chef from Seattle. That appositive we need because we're telling somebody which friend is a chef from Seattle. If we took Tyler out, my friend is a chef from Seattle, we don't know which friend we're talking about. So that appositive right there is essential. So it doesn't have commas around that. And then we're also talking about nouns of a direct address, and that just simply means we're saying the name of the person that we're talking to. And if it's a noun of direct address, it's always going to be followed by a comma. If it's in the middle of the sentence, you're going to have both commas on both sides of it. So we're going to do your first 2 sentences and see what we have here. Hurry, Eric, or we will miss our bus. So we are talking here to Eric, right? This is a noun of direct address, so we're going to put commas around it. And we're going to put a DA over it. It's a noun of direct address. Okay, in this second sentence, Lisa, have you met my brothers Hunter and Hayden? We have one of each of those types of nouns in this sentence. First of all, we're talking to Lisa. So that is a noun of direct address. So we're going to put a comma after it and put a DA over it because it's a noun of direct address. And then down here at the end of the sentence, we have an appositive, 2 appositives, a compound appositive. Brothers is the noun. Hunter and Hayden are following it, and those are the appositives. Now, these are essential, so we're not going to put a comma, because if we leave those out, we don't know which brothers we're talking about, right? So that kind of changes the meaning of the sentence a little bit. So these are essential. We're not going to add a positive or a comma, but we are going to put APP over both of those because those are both appositives. So that's how you're going to do your exercises for today. See you tomorrow.